the word Nigerian. It is mere a distinctive appellation to distinguish those who live within the boundary of Nigerian and those who do not. I want to live within the boundary of core Nigerian and those who do not live. Now, it is so clear that we are not compatible in any form of what being one Nigerian. And then those are the leaders that we all believe that they give us independence, and they said Nigeria are not one. That we are not one. We are not made for one. Then why are we forcing ourselves to become one? Why? Tí a ṣì dúró rí pé à ń force ara wa, à ń force àwọn èèyàn wa láti jẹ́ ẹyọ kan nígbà tá a kì í ṣe ẹyọ kan. Ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn méjèèjì yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ rèé, tí wọ́n sọ òní. Then ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sílẹ̀ tí Tafawa tó náà sọ, ẹ rí pé Ojukwu náà sọ tiẹ̀. Ó ní it is better for us and many admirable abroad that we should disintegrate in peace. Ẹ jẹ́ ká pín pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́. It is better and it is mere admirable fún gbogbo apáta o. We should disintegrate in peace and not in pieces. Should the politician fail to heed this warning, ṣé orí yín kú ni, sórí yín dàrú ni, ṣé mọ̀ pé èrè mọ̀ pé n tá ń sọ fún yín ẹ gbà pé n tí ó jẹ́ òtún orí yín kú àbẹ́ kúrí ni, wípé ó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ pé nǹkan yìí ṣe warning ni fún yín. Then I will venture the prediction that the experience of the Democratic Republic of the Congo will be a child play. Ṣé gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn pé ó ní o, ó ń sún wọn ní wọ́n pé ó ní then I will venture and prediction. Ó ń predict ni o. Òun predict pé that is the experience of the Republic of the experience of Democratic Republic of the Congo will be a child play if ever it comes to our turn to play such a what strategic role. That was written in 1964. Àwọn bàbá yìí wọ́n mọ ìtumọ̀ tí wọ́n sọ kalẹ̀ wípé Nigeria, it is only for the British infection. Nigerian, it is only for the British gain. Nigerian, it is only for the British investment. Then how do you want Tinubu to give you the structuring? They are still the one controlling us. They are still the one ruling us. They are still the one give orders. Then báwo ni restructuring ló ṣe fẹ́ ṣe. Tí ìbá ṣe àwọn ni kò ná Tinubu kó sọ wípé now let every state have their own police. Amotekun is there. Comfort them. Give them the gun. Give them whatever they need to protect the life and property of those who are living in the southwest. Àwọn Igbo náà ní tiwọn. Nígbà tí ordinary Isba ní Kaduna tán bá lè gbé AK-47, tí Isba ní Kano ní Katsina tí wọ́n bá lè lo AK-47, why tí Amotekun lè lo AK-47? Are we living in the same country? Do we live in the same country? We need to ask ourselves this question 1 million times. Do we live in the same country? Ṣé no country kan náà ni gbogbo wa jọ ń gbé? Ṣé no country kan náà so ń lajọ wà? Ṣé no country kan náà ni gbogbo wa ti jọ ń jẹ láti jọ mu? Are we treated in the same way? No. No. Ìdí ni wípé àwọn tí àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re ń wá yìí, ohun tí ò lè ṣe ṣe àti ohun tí ò lè wáyé, they are just there to waste our time. They were just there to be an obstacle to the true word of Akintoye pé Yoruba need what we call a self-determination and their own nation. But they are just there láti lè tackle. They are just there láti lè prevent their own interest. which their interest can never be prevailed, which their instinct can never come to pass, because ohun tí wọ́n ń béèrè fún ò lè ṣe. How many years sínsìn tí wọ́n ti ń béèrè fún restructuring? But ohun tí ò lè ṣe ni, ohun tí ò lè bọ́ sí ni. Ṣé bí gbogbo pátá ni wọ́n ka àwọn átíkù táwọn bàbá yìí tí wọ́n kọ sílẹ̀ yìí? Wọ́n ní wọ́n ka átíkù, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ló bá Awolowo lò gbà, ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn ló mọ impact Awolowo. But today, what are they doing? They don't even think that one day àwọn náà máa kú, àwọn náà ò ní sí láyé mọ́. Kí la fẹ́ sọ nípa wọn? Kí ni tá fẹ́ sọ nípa wọn? Kí ni tá fẹ́ ròyìn nípa wọn? Kí ni ọ̀nà, kí ni báwo la ṣe fẹ́ describe life táwọn náà gbé? Because àwọn èèyàn mọ̀ wípé lóòótọ́ life tí wọ́n ń gbé yìí, it is not in line with what millions of Yoruba want. And the day to day know. But because they believe that nothing will happen, nobody will attack them, nobody will harass them. Ó dìgbà tá a bá tó ń sọ àwọn leader yìí, tá a bá tó ń sọ wọ́n lóko. Ó dìgbà tá a bá tó ń mú àwọn leader wọ̀nyí, tá a bá tó ń fún wọn ní ẹgbàá, ká tó mọ̀ pé lóòótọ́ we are serious for this business. Nigeria should split. Ṣé constitution tí wọ́n àti yọ kúrò? Ṣé constitution tí wọ́n dì mú? Ṣé constitution tí wọ́n gbà, tí wọ́n dì mú, sóun lẹ nìkan fẹ́ sọ pé òun fẹ́ yọ kúrò? Àìwòyewòye àti wọ́n ti amend constitution. Ẹ wo number of constitution tí wọ́n ti amend. Láyé Ọbásanjọ́ wọ́n amend more than 3 times. Láyé Ọbásanjọ́ constitution yìí, it was amended more than 3 times. Nígbà tí a bá wá amend irọ́, we all believe that this constitution is fake entirely. That is why under section 25 said the Nigerian spirit, it is not negotiable. Níbo láti jọ sọ wípé o ká pín kò wà negotiable? Àwọn wo ló sign ẹ̀ wípé lóòótọ́ a fẹ́ lọ o, tá a bá fẹ́ lọ o, it is not negotiable? Àwọn wo ló sọ fún wa pé tá a bá fẹ́ lọ o, it is not negotiable? Àwọn wo la jọ sọ wípé tá a bá ti fẹ́ lọ o, it is not negotiable? Àwọn wo la jọ sọ? Ta ló fún wa? Àwọn wo la jọ sọ? Níbo la ti sign ẹ̀? Níbo la ti jọ sọ? Because they know that if Igbo or Yoruba tá a bá lọ, ìyà jẹ pọnmẹ́tì sáwọn lára. Ebi apa bastard ìyà sáwọn lára. Ìyà jẹ bastard ìyà sáwọn lára. That is why they will never allow us to go. They will find all the means to make sure that they use our father, they use our brother, they use our mother to be an obstacle to our progress. Then what are we talking about? Kí wá ni àwọn Afẹ́nifẹ́re, kí wá ni tí wọ́n ń ṣe? Ṣé wà tí wọ́n ń wù yìí, ṣé wà tó dáa ni? Ṣé báwa ṣe ń gbé sókè táwọn ń gbélẹ̀ yìí sóhun ló dáa? Ṣé báwa ṣe ń polongo wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká kúrò lóko ẹrú yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká bọ́kò lóko ẹrú yìí tá à ń pariwo, ṣé tí àwọn sì ń bàjẹ́ yìí ṣe ń tó dáa, ṣé dídùnnú wọn ni? Ó yẹ kí wọ́n ronú wò wípé lọ́jọ́ kan àwọn ó kú. Why tí wọn ò ṣe tí millions of Yorùbá fi máa rántí wọn títí láéláé? Why tí wọn ò ṣe tí millions of Yorùbá tí wọn fi máa rí tí wọn rò títí láéláé? Torí ìyẹn ni ìbá jẹ́ oríyìn fún wọn. We are talking about the constitution. Many senators tí wọ́n ti pass, tí wọ́n ti lọ, many house of rep tí wọ́n ti lọ sẹ́yìn ni wọ́n ti lament lórí constitution yìí, ni wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí constitution yìí, ni wọ́n ti give opinion wọn lórí constitution yìí, ni wọ́n ti sọ so many things lórí constitution yìí pé Nigeria can never be moving forward if we are still use this constitution. Nigeria ò níbi lọ o tí a bá sì dúró lórí wípé constitution tí ò dá yìí òun náà la fẹ́ máa lò. Nigeria ò níbi lọ. Nigeria ò níbi lọ o tó bá jẹ́ wípé lóòótọ́ orí constitution yìí òun náà la sì dúró lórí. Nigeria ò níbi lọ o tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ constitution yìí náà la sì fẹ́ lò. We go nowhere. Why tí Afẹ́nifẹ́re ṣe wá ń béèrè fún restructuring when they critically knows that the constitution it is fake and it cannot help us to move forward? Kí ló dé tí bàbá wọn èèyàn wọn yìí tí wọn ò ronú millions of Yorùbá tí yà ń jẹ, lórí tí wọn ò ronú millions of Yorùbá tí ebi ń pa, lórí tí wọn ò ronú millions of Yorùbá tó jẹ́ pé àti rọ́wọ́ ti bẹnu dọ́ràn fún wọn lọ́rùn pẹ̀lú ìlànà tí Madam Fodio tó ti là kálẹ̀ wípé the new estate called Nigeria will be a great grandfather, his own grandfather, and he will use minority to conquer the majority. They will never allow them to rule all, and also never allow them to rule over their future. And they also allow us to rule over our future now. If we cannot sit right, it's tribe cunning, and then we are two, Yibo and Yoruba. Why we cannot join together and fight this battle at once? Why ta le wa àwọn Ghana wọ́n ewo wọ́n fún wọn láyè ṣé kò sí ní Ghana ni, but wọ́n lé wọn dànù, Cameroon wọ́n lé wọn dànù, Kenya wọ́n lé wọn dànù. The tribe in Kenya work together as one body láti lé Fúlàní kúrò. Kí ló dé nílẹ̀ Yorùbá a dẹ̀ fi owó, a dẹ̀ fi ipò, a dẹ̀ fi bà ara wa jẹ́. Ohun tí wàhálà ìjàngbọ̀n tí wọ́n dá sílẹ̀, àìgbọ́ra ẹni yé, àìfìmọ̀ṣọ̀kan Awolowo àti Nnamdi Azikiwe, àìfìmọ̀ṣọ̀kan wọn olódìbàdìbàtàdé lónìí. Betrayal everywhere. Betrayal everywhere olódìbàdìbàtàdé lónìí. And we still continue to betray ourselves. Ìjọ la fẹ́ bọ́ ńbẹ̀. Ìjọ wo gangan la fẹ́ bọ́ ńbẹ̀. Ìgbà wo gangan la fẹ́ sọ àwọn pé no, enough is enough. It is time for us to stand and then to fight this battle. Ká gba Yorùbá nation, ká lọ kúrò. It is big and easy opportunity fún wa láti bọ́ nínú wàhálà tá kúra wá sí. Tí àwọn Fúlàní wá ń fẹ́ràn jẹ oko wa, táwọn Fúlàní tí wọ́n ń pa wá níyàwó, tí wọ́n ń pa wá lọ́mọ, tí wọ́n ń dẹ̀mí wa légbodò. But we have a bad leader who doesn't think about the future of their children. Ṣé àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí ṣé wọn ló wá dáa? Ṣé àwọn èèyàn wọ̀nyí ṣé wọn làwọn wá láwùjọ? Ẹgbẹ́ ohun tí màá sọ nípa Nigerian constitution kó tó di pé màmá bá ètò mi lọ.
Nation today that this is the problem. This constitution can never give us progress. This constitution can never give us peace. This constitution can never give us unity. And unfortunately, most of us in this National Assembly, we don't have the spine to face what we need to give this republic to have peace and progress. What do I mean? This constitution has 68 items. 68 on the exclusive list. This constitution has only 12 on the concurrent list. And those 12 are written so nebulously, so fraudulently, that you know that the intention is to even undermine those concurrent lists. The formal name of this republic is Federal Republic of Nigeria. Unfortunately, we don't run a federalist system in Nigeria. Otherwise, what is so unique about all those things